This tutorial is going to cover creating waterfall charts in Excel using Create. I'm using the sample data file, which is available under the New drop-down. And it's a useful way of practicing the custom chart types because it shows you how the data should be laid out on your worksheet. So for a standard waterfall chart, select your data. All you need is a value range and blanks where you want the totals to be calculated. I've selected the data. Click on Custom Chart. The Chart Wizard dialog will appear with the different custom charts available. We're looking at Waterfall Chart. At this point, choose your themes from the Chart Theme drop-down. These are the chart themes that you've set in your Preference Manager. And click on Next, and it will take you to the next dialog. So it recognises that you only have a single series of data selected. It's picked up what it thinks are the correct values for the series, which is fine. A is my label and B is my value. At this point I can click Finish because it's quite a straightforward chart. Now you'll see what's happened. It's created quite a lot of dummy data at the top here. If those columns were already populated with your own data, you would have got a warning message asking you to either insert the chart and its data onto a new sheet or replace the existing data. So here's the chart with the totals automatically calculated. It's all linked to the original data, and the negative values are formatted differently. If any of this changes, the data will change on the chart as well. So that's a single series waterfall chart. If you're sending it to PowerPoint, just make sure that you send it as a picture or as an Excel chart. It doesn't matter, but do send it resized only rather than fully formatted, because if you reformat, you may lose some of the formatting that we've had to apply in order to gain the result. Waterfall stacked is next. Select the data, click on Custom Chart, Waterfall Chart, choose your theme. Let's choose a different one this time. Click on Next. This time it recognises that you have multiple series selected. It's populated the fields, that's correct. Click on Finish. And there's the multiple series with the final column calculated for you. Again, lots of dummy data. Waterfall comparison. So this will add a comparison bar on the right hand side of the chart. Select the data for the waterfall chart itself, the main part of the waterfall chart. Select your theme, click Next. It's a single series waterfall chart. We want to add a comparison column, so click on this and the boxes below will become enabled. Go and reselect your data for the comparison. So there's my labels, and for the values it's this range here. Click OK and Finish. So there's the waterfall chart with I'll just move it out of the way so that you can see, with the yearly total calculated and the comparison total at the end, comparison bar at the end. And then a waterfall stacked comparison. So multiple series waterfall with a comparison bar. Custom chart, once you've selected your data. If your data is laid out correctly, you shouldn't have to make any changes here. You can just add your comparison column data again. There you go. So that's the waterfall chart. There's other custom charts available, and all of the associated help files are available under the Help drop-down, Create Help, and that will walk you through a step-by-step guide for creating the custom charts. Thank you.